What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna do a little bit of a tasting of something that I got from Japan, and that's this. This is the Tokyo banana. Supposedly it's really kind of popular, especially as a gift. My brothers, they ended up going to Tokyo. I think they just came back last weekend, and this is what they got as a, gift for me. Tokyo banana. And we also got this. This is Tokyo banana, but Kit Kat style. So we'll see how this matches up to the actual Tokyo banana. I also got this. This is Mr. Coffee. If you guys are Asian, you guys know the brand Mr. Coffee. This is it right here. Basically just a sweet coffee, but it comes in this little tiny can. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and open this Tokyo banana and we'll see how it tastes. It does say something on the front of it. It says, Tokyo banana is a flavor loved by people of all ages, made with the hope of becoming a warm memory, not just of Tokyo, but of Japan. Aw, see, so this is the perfect souvenir gift to give somebody. Everything else is in Japanese. It does say it is 99 calories, and yeah, so actually not too bad. Let's open this. This looks like a, like something you would get at Office Depot for paper, right? So let's open this up. There we go. Whatever, the wrapping is gone. So let's just tear it up like Christmas. And then you have this. Let's open it up, y'all. We'll see it first. Boom, 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 right there. What is in here? There's this. Says Tokyo, got a little picture of everything. It has this. I'm guessing this is all the other treats that they make as well. And then we have all the little bananas. So they do look like little Chiquita bananas inside there. Let's give one a taste. So this is the Tokyo banana right here. It does have like a silica packet in there so things won't get dried out. Let's open it up. There. I don't want to drop. Comes in here. Here's my cool little banana. Y'all see that? Banana. And let's eat it. I'm gonna enjoy this with some coffee. So here's the banana. Looks like a banana. Looks almost like a Twinkie, actually. But it is banana shaped. Let's give it a taste. Very mild flavor. Asians don't like super sweet things, so very mild. It almost tastes like banana pudding. Like if it had a crunch factor with it, it'd be even better. There's the filling. Can y'all see the filling right there? Right there, there's a filling inside the banana. Just kind of tastes like banana pudding. Yeah, I would say this is like banana pudding without the vanilla wafers or the little bananas in there, but that's pretty good. I wouldn't call it like super sweet. Very mild. It's like it almost doesn't taste like there's sugar at all, but it'll go good with coffee. It's like this sweet coffee, Mr. Brown coffee, works well with that. Usually the coffee that I drink is to counteract the sweetness, and this one actually is sweeter than the banana. But yeah, Tokyo banana, I say very mild flavor. If you like banana pudding, you'll probably like this. But yeah, pretty cool. I like the form factor, opening the whole thing. The packaging was nice. I give that like, out of a 10, I give that about a 5.5, maybe 5.6. Let's give it a 5.6. Let's see how this Tokyo banana Kit Kat tastes. Let's see how similar this is to the actual Tokyo banana. So this has been eaten already. Not by me, but here's the Kit Kat. If y'all know, Asians love Kit Kats for some reason. For some reason, we have like a ton of different flavors of every little Kit Kat in the world. Like there's so many different flavors. This one is Tokyo Banana. So let's open it up. So here you go. Here's the Kit Kat. You can see there is a Tokyo Banana symbol on there and some wording. It's kind of not broken in half. Like, I mean, there is a split, but because it has the banana on there, it doesn't split. They don't split the banana, so this is not a banana split. All right, so let's just eat it whole. This is good. It has that banana flavor. Like if they actually wrapped up one of these Tokyo Bananas in chocolate, that's how this would taste. And this is super sweet. This was not very sweet at all. But this Tokyo Banana Kit Kat, that's really sweet, man. If you like Kit Kats, you like banana, that's tasty. I like that. A lot more sweeter than the actual Tokyo Banana, especially since it has milk chocolate all over it. And now I need this coffee. This is not as sweet as the Kit Kat Tokyo Banana. But yeah, that's it. I would give that probably an 8.7 on the scale of like yumminess. So that's my score. I said 5.6 on that. I think that's what I said. And then 8.7 on the Kit Kat. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this. I know some of y'all asked me to go to different stores here in the Golden Triangle and like try out their food. Like there is a Filipino store, there's a Indian store. So maybe I'll do that in the future, do a little grocery haul and put this on video. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, let me know. And let me know if you guys have ever had a Tokyo Banana or if you ever heard of a Tokyo Banana. I've heard of it and 5.7. All right, guys, see you guys next one. Peace out.